Hi, welcome to this tech tip for how to remove or install a comb riser on your Ruger American Rifle Generation 2. We'll start by making sure that the rifle is empty, clear, no magazine, and no ammunition in the area. We do need a few tools to do this, mainly either an 1/8 inch Allen wrench or an 1/8 inch punch. The goal here is simply to loosen the rear recoil stud enough to be able to remove the comb riser. You can take the stud all the way out, but it's not really necessary. So by inserting the wrench, we can take half a turn at a time. We're going to loosen it about 5 full turns. After loosening the rear swivel stud, we have about a 1/2 inch gap between the buttstock and the butt pad assembly. With that gap, we can pull the comb to the rear and it lifts straight off the rifle. This is a low comb that we're taking off the gun, but I need a little more height for alignment with my scope. So we're going to install this high comb spacer. This adds about 3/4 inch to the top of the comb of the stock, and the height of each comb is marked underneath. There is a front and a back, so the larger radius faces the rear, and the smaller radius has this small hemispherical cut. We're going to set it right down on top of the stock, overhang the rear about 1/2 inch, and we can squeeze the comb down and forward onto the stock. We know it's secure if the front of the comb is underneath its tabs and the back is also secure. If anything's flopping around, try again or simply pull it straight down to snap it on. At this point, we're ready to go. So we can turn the gun back over and tighten our rear stud. Now this only needs to be tight enough to keep the butt pad assembly from rattling, and we want to end up with the hole for the sling stud perpendicular to the rifle. We successfully changed the comb height of our Ruger American Rifle Gen 2. Thank you for watching this tech tip, and for more information, visit Ruger.com.